it's Hannah with WTI. Do you have kids with dirty shoes and you want to make them look a little bit nicer so that they can last longer? Well, Miss Mouth's Messy Stepper Shoe Cleaner is something you need to try. I was really impressed with how quickly these made the soles of our white shoes look white again. Now, you might just think if you just use water, they'll get white too. Not the case. I tried using just water and they still looked brown. But when I used this, even with very minimal effort, the soles looked white again. I want to show you some before and after so you can really see how much whiter the soles of our shoes got when I started using Miss Mouth's Messy Steppers. I am not a perfectionist, so I didn't spend hours cleaning these shoes. This is a 3-minute wipe down just so that our shoes look presentable again. I'm always amazed at how quickly shoes get dirty, and they are expensive these days. So if I can do anything to prolong the life and make them look presentable longer, I'm going to try it out. So go ahead and try Miss Mouth's Messy Steppers, but that's just my point of view.